Chapter 13, we're learning about some of the fullest bodied wines, white wines in the world, and the most floral white wines. They are Gewurztraminer, Viognier, and Albariño. Of the three, Gewurztraminer is the fullest bodied and most aromatic, most floral. And the key to understanding if you're drinking a Gewurztraminer and a Viognier is all the other wines that we've learned about on the whites have been medium to high acidity. For Gewurztraminer and Viognier, they're low acidity. Okay, so we're going to start with Gewurztraminer. Gewurztraminer is has low to medium acidity, so that lower acidity grape, very aromatic, heavy sweet aromas of floral, stone fruit, and tropical fruit. These wines are very complex and are very flavorful, and great examples include flavors of honey and dried fruit. Gewurztraminer can be anywhere from dry to sweet. The drier Gewurztraminers are high in alcohol because Gewurztraminer accumulates high sugar levels during ripening. So if they convert all that sugar to alcohol to get it dry, you're going to have a high alcohol wine if it's a dry Gewurztraminer. But the Gewurztraminer grape and the Gewurztraminer wines can be made anywhere from dry to sweet style. This is the fullest body of the three and the most aromatic. So it's typically unoaked because people enjoy those complex aromas. Okay, so we're going to the Alsace region of France. Here's France, Bordeaux, Loire Valley, Burgundy, Champagne, and we're going all the way to the northeast, the Alsace region of France. The best, most famous Gewurztraminers in the world are from Alsace, and those are the Grand Crus. They're full-bodied, low to medium acidity. Next, let's talk about the Viognier grape. Similar to Gewurztraminer, it's a low acidity wine, low to medium acidity. So that's the kicker. That's how, when you're tasting one, you might consider this could be a Viognier if it's highly aromatic but low acidity. Okay, Viognier is typically dry. So in the Gewurztraminer, we could have dry to sweet. Viognier, we're typically going to have high alcohol, convert all the sugars to alcohol, and have a dry, high alcohol Viognier. This one is very aromatic as well, not as aromatic as the Gewurztraminer and not as floral like the rose in Gewurztraminer. You might get a blossom floral in the Viognier. And these can be oaked or unoaked. And they also can be blended. So just a reminder, if you are tasting a wine that has low acid and it's a white wine and it's very aromatic, you're probably looking at a Viognier or Gewurztraminer. Okay, Viognier is, we're in France again. We have Burgundy here, and south of Burgundy is, we start getting into the Rhone River, and along the Rhone River is Northern Rhone and Southern Rhone. So we're going all the way into Northern Rhone, and we're going into the northernmost tip of Northern Rhone. Is called Coindreau AOC, and that's where some of the best Viogniers, they're known for making Viognier in Coindreau. Medium to full bodied, low to medium acidity. All right, and so our last grape is Albariño. Albariño is high in acidity. It's more citrus. It's more refreshing, but it's still very aromatic. Typically dry, medium to body, oaked or unoaked, and not usually blended. So this grape is becoming more popular with our young hipsters, and you find this grape in the northwest part of Spain. So this is all of Spain. In the northwest part of Spain, this is more colder and wetter and cloudier, this area of Spain, than most of the other grape growing regions of Spain that are more inland or have these Mediterranean climates. But this part of Spain is colder and wetter, so we're getting those refreshing, high acid wines in what's called Rías Baixas. It looks like it's spelled Rías Baixas, but it's pronounced Rías Baixas. Okay, we're in Spain, Rías Baixas, cold, wet, cloudy. We're getting these fresh whites. Albariño is unoaked there, medium bodied. Drink it young, and because it's medium bodied, they might age it on the lees to add body. Super popular with millennials. So they're starting to grow this Albariño in all parts of the US because it's or all parts of the world that are more moderate climates, because it is becoming more popular grape.